how to use the Inception mode of your gimbal. What is the Inception mode? It's a very cool feature of the gimbal, and also it's a great cinematic effect to disorient your viewer. The camera will start rotating on its axis, and for this reason, this effect is also called vortex. It's a great effect to use for sports, but also to use when you go through tiny spaces. It will really create some cool perspective. To achieve the Inception mode on the iSteady M6, we want to triple press the M button 3 times very quickly. 1, 2, 3. Your camera will be facing an horizontal position now, and also you want to place your gimbal in an horizontal position, and the gimbal will start spinning in 360 degrees. And we can now move the gimbal back and forward towards your subject or away from your subject. You can find the Inception mode also inside the Hohem app. In the menu, scroll to Moment, and now scroll until you find Inception. Press on Start and press on Rec. That's how you use the Inception mode of your gimbal.